are you today? My name is Delilah, and I have something super cool to show you today. Have you ever considered what's going on inside your gut and perhaps why you might have issues with various underlying conditions that do stem from the gut? Your gut is your second brain, and it impacts a lot of your well-being. So if you don't have a healthy gut, you can have a lot of problems. I was one of these people. I was suffering from bloat for many years, and I have finally found a solution. So what I'm going to show you today is what a plant-based digestive enzyme can do. And you might be wondering, what does a pudding pack, a digestive enzyme, and a little wine glass have in common? But I am going to show you today. So why am I using a pudding pack? Pudding is one of the most processed foods that you can find. It is shelf stable for several years, and it even says on the label that it is made with real milk. So how is real milk sitting on the shelf for so many years? It's because it is highly processed, and it's a very dead food, and it has a lot of bad stuff in here. So my kids do eat this. This is a pudding pack. We don't eat them as much as we used to now that we know more about gut health. So what I'm going to show you is this little enzyme right here. It's a probiotic, prebiotic, digestive enzyme made with plants, herbs, and whole raw foods. Now, what does this do? What it did for me was it helped me alleviate the bloat that I was carrying around. What it's done for others is help aid in digestion and helped people overcome IBS, constipation, diarrhea, heartburn, anything that is affected with the foods that you're eating, any reaction that your body has with what you're putting in it. This can help just balance out your body so that it can have a normal reaction and actually digest your food. So I poured that capsule in here. What I do is I take 2 to 3 capsules 10 minutes before I eat, depending on what I'm eating. If you're eating 100% raw food, vegetables that aren't cooked and fruits that are not cooked, you would not need these. The reason being because there's living enzymes in those foods, and they're already made so that they're going to break down in your digestive system. Your body's going to absorb all of those nutrients of that apple that you're eating, of that banana that you're eating, or the avocado. But once you cook that broccoli or those carrots, you are cooking the nutrients out of that. But what this enzyme can do is it can help your body absorb the nutrients, because what it's going to do is it's going to break down that food to its smallest molecule possible so that your body can absorb all of the nutrients possible. And what happens when your body does that is it no longer has any of those ailments that you previously had. This is not a weight loss product. However, when your body is performing the way it's supposed to, your body is absorbing the nutrients that it's supposed to and discarding the toxins, it can aid in weight loss. Myself, I lost all of my postpartum baby weight from baby number 2, and it was just by implementing this. My body was not processing the food that I was eating, and it was stuck in my gut. So this has been sitting here for just a few seconds. I don't even think that long. And look what it did to the pudding. It completely broke down the pudding inside this cup so that if you were to eat this, your body can actually absorb any good nutrition that is in it. This is a life-changing gut enzyme, and if you want to see more, just get with the person that sent this to you, and we can show you how to grab it. Have a great day and stay healthy.